So good day guys, so back to running na tayo. This is the continuation of our running. So this is our day 33 na out of 365 pa din. So for today's run, easy run pa rin. So yun pa rin yung nakaplan kay Huawei. Ay na-miss lang akong 2 days, pero let's try to come back after na magkaroon tayo ng sakit. So we're back after 3 days. So let's run. Let's make this easy run an easy run. Let's go. Run for your life. 1K 10:04, 2K 8:21, 3K 8:20. So that's our day 33 out of 365. So tapos na natin yung easy run natin. So ayun. So hindi tayo masyadong pagod kasi baka mabinat tayo sa sakit natin. So tamang papawis lang para bumalik yung circulation ng dugo natin sa katawan. And tuloy natin yung strength natin sa pagtakbo. So I hope magtuloy-tuloy na tong series natin. Hindi na tayo magkasakit. And syempre, I always encourage you to be healthy pa rin. Despite na kahit ako laging natakbo, nagkasakit pa rin. So pilitin nyo pa rin mag-exercise and be active. So always be active, be healthy, be wealthy. Always run for your life. Peace and bye-bye. Let's go!